Hey everyone, welcome back to Health on Hand YouTube channel. Are you feeling constantly tired and can't figure out why? You might be low on magnesium. Ever feel like your energy's on empty? You know, those days when you just can't seem to get going no matter how much coffee you drink or how much you try to rest? It's like your body is running on fumes? Or maybe your muscles have got a mind of their own with those annoying cramps? You could be in the middle of a workout or just relaxing on the couch and suddenly, bam, your muscles start to spasm and cramp up. It might be time to check if you're getting enough magnesium. This mineral is crucial for so many bodily functions, yet many of us don't even think about it. Magnesium might not have the spotlight, but it's the backstage hero of over 300 body functions. Yes, you heard that right. Over 300. From muscle and nerve function to blood sugar control and blood pressure regulation, magnesium is involved in so many processes. From keeping your heart rhythm steady to helping you catch those precious Z's, it does it all. Imagine a world where your heart beats irregularly, or you can't get a good night's sleep. Magnesium helps prevent that. So, what's the magic number? How much magnesium do we actually need to keep everything running smoothly? Around 310 to 320 milligrams for women and 400 to 420 milligrams for men. These numbers might seem small, but they pack a punch when it comes to maintaining your health. But here's the kicker, many of us fall short. Despite its importance, magnesium deficiency is surprisingly common. Feeling tired all the time? This could be one of the first signs that your body is craving more magnesium. Chronic fatigue is a red flag that shouldn't be ignored. Magnesium could be the missing puzzle piece in your energy game. Think of it as the spark plug in your car engine. Without it, you're not going anywhere. Got muscle cramps that won't quit? These cramps can be more than just a minor annoyance. They can be downright painful and disruptive. Yep, magnesium's your guy to regulate those muscle contractions. It helps your muscles relax and contract properly, reducing the likelihood of those pesky cramps. And let's not forget the mind. Our mental health is just as important as our physical health, and magnesium plays a role here too. Anxiety, depression, magnesium deficiency has its fingerprints here too. High blood pressure, this mineral helps to keep it in check. Magnesium is like a calming presence, relaxing those blood vessels. It helps to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Sleep trouble? Magnesium helps regulate the neurotransmitters that tuck you in for a good night's rest. It's like a natural sleep aid that helps you relax and unwind. In irregular heartbeat or bone worries, magnesium plays a role in both heart rhythm and bone health. It helps to keep your heart beating steadily and your bones strong. Even brain fog and concentration issues might be nudging you to check your magnesium levels. If you find it hard to focus or feel like you're in a constant mental haze, magnesium could be the answer. Brain fog can be incredibly frustrating, making it difficult to complete even the simplest tasks. Magnesium helps to clear the fog and improve cognitive function. Constipation and loss of appetite are more clues on this treasure hunt. Your digestive system relies on magnesium to function properly. So what's next? Let's boost those magnesium levels naturally. You don't always need supplements. Sometimes the best sources are right in your kitchen. Think almonds, cashews, spinach, and yes, a bit of dark chocolate won't hurt. These foods are rich in magnesium and can easily be incorporated into your diet. But before you go supplement shopping, have a chat with your healthcare provider. They can help you determine if you really need supplements or if dietary changes will suffice. Magnesium is a small mineral with a big impact. It's amazing how something so small can have such a profound effect on our health. Spot the signs, tweak your diet, and if needed, seek professional advice. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you found this information helpful, and that it inspires you to take a closer look at your magnesium intake. If this video sparked some insights, give it a thumbs up, and hit subscribe for more health tips. Your support helps us create more content to keep you informed and healthy. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's keep this conversation going. We love hearing from you and learning about your experiences. Stay healthy and catch you in the next one. Until then, take care, and keep prioritizing your well-being.